Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is engr.ibrahim.omer, and in this tutorial we will model this closed loft shape in SolidWorks. I'm using SolidWorks 2020, but if you are using a below version of SolidWorks or a future version of SolidWorks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to SolidWorks, select part and select OK. And now we are in SolidWorks interface. So first of all, I will change my units to mmgs, and also I will change my background to plain white. Let's go to here, top plane, sketch, and let's make a circle having diameter 25 millimeters. Let's change it to 25. Okay. I will exit this sketch. And now we will draw some profiles on the front plane. So select front plane, sketch, and here we will draw two center rectangles like this. And let's say this dimension is 12 and this dimension is 2. Okay. I will select this midpoint and I will select this circle and I will make it pierced. Okay, there is a difference between pierce and coincident, so I will use pierce relation. Okay, now you can see that this rectangle is fully defined. Okay, I will make another rectangle here, center rectangle, and this time its length would be 6 millimeters. Okay, and width would be same, 2 millimeters. I will do the same operation. I will select its midpoint. I will select this circle and I will make it pierce. Now you can see that it is also fully defined, and I will exit this sketch. Now we will make another sketch, and this time on the right plane. So I will select right plane, sketch, and this time I will make two center rectangles, but these will be equal. Okay. For example, width is 2 for both, and length would be, let's say, 8 millimeters. I will change it to 8. Okay. Now we will apply the same pierce relation. I will select the midpoint, I will select this circle, and I will make it pierce. Similarly, I will select this midpoint, I will select this circle, and I will make it pierce. Okay. Now you can see that the sketch is fully defined. I will simply exit this sketch. Here you can use lofted boss with solid, or you can use lofted boss with surface. Okay, lofted boss with surface, or lofted boss with solid. So let's say for this tutorial I'm using lofted boss with solid. So for the profiles, I will select these sketches as close profile. Select this one, close profile, okay. Second, this one, close profile, okay. And then this one, close profile, okay. And lastly, this one, close profile, okay. And you can see it is not a closed loft. So for the closed loft, I will select this option. And now you can see this is a closed loft object. And for the guide curve, I will select this circle. And here you can see the preview. And select OK. Now you can see we have some sharp edges, let's say here and here, and also here and here. So for removing these sharp edges, we will use fillet. Okay. And for this tutorial, I will use this fillet. Okay, full round fillet. It requires 3 inputs. Basically, it requires 3 faces. So for the first face, I will select this one. For the second face, I will select this top face, and for the third input, I will select this face. You can see the preview. The specialty or the uniqueness of this fillet is it does not require any value, any integer value, let's say like 10 millimeters or 5 millimeters. The requirement of this fillet is only faces. Okay. Similarly, we will do the operation here. Go to fillet, full round fillet. For the first input, I will select this face. For the second input, I will select this face. And for the third input, I will select this face. Okay. Sorry, I will delete this. And for the third input, I will select this face. You can see the preview and select OK. Lastly, we will apply some appearance or color onto this object. So go to here, appearance, and then I will go to painted, and here I will apply this appearance, gloss blue. You can see the preview. You can apply some different appearance as well. So that's how you can model simple objects in SolidWorks using close loft command. Here is an important message, and that is some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one sessions for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any questions, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.